Okay, on this video, I'm going to just go over briefly the finishing details of after you've used the DuMore Grinder. At this point, we've gone through and I've showed you the video on how to put your DuMore Grinder up. But now we got to talk about the other part that we've used, this lathe. You must clean this lathe from top to bottom. Wherever there was any grit that you think might have got into the crack of a ways or a cross slide, clean it. Use your shop rags. Use a vacuum cleaner. Use a brush. Any way you can get that grit away from the ways is a plus. After you finish cleaning it, rub your hand across the ways and the cross slides if you can. And make sure that there's no grit. If there is grit, clean it again. One little bit of piece of grit get between the ways and your cross slides, and it'll start wearing your ways out. And then you'll have scratches start to appear on your weights. Don't get me wrong, the DuMore Grinder is good and it's a tool that's needed in the shop. But part of it is you got to make sure you clean up after you use it. So make sure you clean up, check your weights, make sure there's no grit on them. Run your cross slide and your saddle a couple times back and forth. Feel the different ground surfaces, make sure there's no grit. If there's no grit, then this lathe is good to go. It's ready for the next person, whether they're actually turning steel, brass, aluminum, plastic, whatever they're doing. This machine now is ready for them. The DuMore Grinder is finished. The lathe is clean. Make sure you check the oil. I checked the oil compartment in this saddle. It had no oil in it. You can sit here and pump this all day, and no oil is going to pump out onto the waves or on the cross line. So make sure you do that. Make sure you check the oil in your saddle and make sure you are going to actually pump out oil into your waves. So now this is ready to go. Turn off the light. DuMore Grinders in its case. The lathe is ready for the next time they need it. I'm going to put this oil up, and until next time, we'll see you next video.